Ooh, listen to that crackle. You want to make this? Let me show you how. To score the pork rack, set a box cutter to 5mm and cut diagonal lines right across the skin. Add some oil and rub it in. Now add salt and rub that in well. Place into a rack, pop it in the oven and shut the hood. Crush a garlic clove, add a bay leaf and thyme sprigs. Top with baby carrots, a little salt and a good glug of olive oil. Now finish with pepper and cover with foil and baking paper. Seal the sides, move the pork to the side, add the carrots and shut the hood. Roast the loin until it looks like that and the crackle is like that. Absolutely perfect. That can come out. After 25 minutes, remove the confit carrots. Pan on the heat, add some oil and add the Pave potatoes. Now turn when they're golden and cook the other side till they're super crispy. After resting, cut into portions and finish with a beautiful port wine glaze. And there we are, simple and totally delicious.